What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this awesome post. Yeah, so let's jump into it. So first things first, you wanna get more of a lever and a piston. Now you can mark where you want your armor stand to be. Don't forget to pose it like this. So first things first, you wanna build up like this. Put a piston right here. Put a block right here. Push it down. Put another block. Push it down. Now place a lightning rod on this block. Now break the block under it. Oh, looks like the armor stand broke, so that's okay. Just need to do that again. And so, can't forget to pose it. So yeah, since you have the lightning rod like that, go ahead and push it down. Should be looking like that. You can either use an invisibility potion or just you can use a command. I'll show you the command right here. So flash effect at E. Do this little corner thing. Type equals armor. Yeah. Just type this in stand. And so put the end one, do a space. Now do invisibility. Now do 9,999. Then for the amplifier, do 10. And for the last part, do true. Okay, you guys got that? So once you press that, now you got it. Oh, I didn't mean to put that on. Now the armor stand is invisible, so you can place it on there, and it looks like a little helmet rack that's on there, you know? So make sure to like this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Clea, tell them to subscribe.
I know didn't buy the camera.
Yeah, she says, no, you shouldn't be wandering around not subscribed to the pugs. So, just do it. Do it. Okay, bye.